Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Tutorials. As part of this Learn Python course, we will teach you the Python programming language from a very basic level to intermediate level. We will be splitting this course into multiple lessons to teach you Python step by step. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's get started now. In this lesson, we will teach you how to set up Python in your system and the different ways to access Python. Python is an object-oriented, high-level, interpreted and interactive general-purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means we do not have to specifically provide the type of the variable in the program. Python also has the built-in capability to take care of garbage collection and memory management by itself. There are two major versions of Python, which are Python 2 and 3. Python 2 was discontinued in 2020. Python 3 is a major revision of Python language and was released in the year 2008. Code written in Python 2 is not fully compatible with the Python 3 code and vice versa. The current version of Python as of when this video is recorded is 3.8.5. Let's now see how to download Python in Windows system. Let's now see how to install Python. Open Chrome and search for Python. Click on the downloads link corresponding to the site python.org. Download the latest version whichever is available. I am downloading Python version 3.8.5. Once it is downloaded, double-click on the downloaded file and click on Customize Installation. You can also click on the Install Now. In the optional features, leave all the features as it is. Click on the Next button. I am going to change the install location to a different folder than what it is given here. I am giving the location as f:\program Python. You can give whatever location you want. Now I am going to select the checkbox Add Python to Environment Variables and click on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, click on the Close button. Now let's see if Python has installed successfully. Open the folder where you have installed Python and check if these files existing in your system. Also check if Python is added to your path. Click on the Start menu and type Path. You will get an option to edit system environment variables. Select the same, click on Advanced tab, click on Environment Variables button. Check if the Python path is added in the system as highlighted here. Now that we have installed Python successfully, let's now see how to access Python directly from the installed folder. Open the folder where you have installed Python. Within the Python folder, open the file python.exe. It will give you the Python prompt. To test it, type print function with the hello world. And press enter, and you will be able to see hello world displayed. There is another way of accessing Python. Go to Start and open the command prompt. In the prompt, type python ---- version. If Python is installed successfully, then you will be able to see the version of Python displayed in the command prompt. If you want to run Python commands, type the command python and press enter. Doing so will take you to the Python prompt. Here I am going to type a sample print function to validate if Python is working from command prompt as well. Now you can see the print function worked successfully from command prompt as well. Let's now see how to run Python from VS Code. Open VS Code. You can close the untitled1 file. Now create a new folder anywhere in your system. I am creating a folder called Python. Now I am going to drag and drop the folder to VS Code. Now I am going to create a new file within the Python folder named first.py. I am going to type the command print hello world from VS Code. Save the file by pressing Ctrl S. Now click on Terminal and select New Terminal. You should be able to see a terminal window at the bottom section of VS Code. This is where you are going to issue a command. To run the file first.py, which we have created right now, we are going to type the command python space first.py. As you can see, the file is now executed and you are able to see the output in the terminal. Now let's see another way of running Python from VS Code. In this method, we will be using a VS Code extension. To install the Python extension to VS Code, click on the extension icon in the sidebar of the VS Code. In the search text, type Python to perform a search and you will receive an extension for Python by Microsoft. Select the extension and click on the install button and wait till the installation is complete. Once it is done, you can close the Python extension window. Also, you can minimize the extension sidebar by clicking on the sidebar icon. After the installation of Python extension, you should be able to see a green play button on the top right of the VS Code editor. Now run the code again using the extension play button. I am just going to click the play button in the top, and as you can see, the code is run again with a change in the terminal. Let's now try to modify the code a bit by adding few additional words to the print function and run it again by clicking the play button. As you can see, code is again run successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.